There you go. I'll show you when they go in the oven, obviously. Oh, look at that bowl. Look at that bowl. Does it look good or what?
Let's do large cookies.
Nah. What do you pretty how many? Looks like we only have 350.
It's not metal.
Want to do regular cookies or large cookies?
Large.
Poly shiny metal.
Dark or non-stick. 10 to 14 minutes on what?
350. And submit.
Good job.
Oven is preheating. Let's go back to our poker game. Yes, we did this while we were doing our poker game. Come on, Tiff. Stop eating all the chocolate. There you go.
Oh yeah, I want to show all my viewers, after we're done with this poker game, me holding something amazing. It's so
Yeah, I know, all those chips. Okay, I'll put them in all this video, so you can do it.
We're in a contest to see who can hold more and balance it.
I gotta be closer.
You know a whole poker set? All the chips in the poker set.
I can't see in this front row. Can you turn on the light?
Can you turn on the light?
That's better. This is trying to balance all those. Oh my god. Ah! Dang it.
Stop!
I think it was funny.
I think this might go on Guinness World Records.
No. Yeah.
And celebrate good time! Wow.
Hey, I'm gonna balance some chips now.
Let's throw our chips in the air like confetti!
Come on.
It's a chip party. It's a chip party.
This is 25, so, you know, she's awesome.
Wow, look at all the shit.
Okay, stop talking. They aren't good. I'll play when I'm done. Pick me up somehow.
Let's see who can balance all the poker chips. Every
No.
single one. You can't, you can't. Here, hold this.
Oh god. These things up, is that gonna work?
Steph, try to keep holding on to those.
Look at mine. Danny's trying to be like that. Can you get me some chips? Too far away. And I want enough of my chips.
Trust me, I've had to do the same thing with my chips.
Wait.
Let's see if we can make a really big tower.
No.
Come on, girl.
Still do a tower.
Come on, that ain't fair. Trying to make a big, huge tower.
Oh my god. Still standing? Shit. That's how you
And
there
it goes. Every single bit of the chips.
Oh god. Well, we gotta pick up all our chips.
Hey!
And now we're going to redistribute our chips. And we don't have to start over though. We're redistributing our chips. We don't know how to straighten the chips.